As here we come another day. I just want to take a few minutes to update the market and kind of do some analysis how the market is predicted to hit a certain level. And also at the same time, I just want to update about the month of February as to what the result will be. And that result has come. And just want to update a few things here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to share my screen here, entire screen. All right, so you're gonna see the market analysis looking at US dollar and Japanese yen, and we did two trades or open two positions here as a sales, and so market dropped about 200 pips so far from my entry point to right now. And so market is going to be continue to hit at least, it's already kind of like hit this level right here, 147.456. Barely touched that, but I anticipate for this market to at least touch here, kind of pull back, and maybe gradually to hit, which is my target at right about here. Right about here is where my target is, and I was hoping that this will be the idea of allowing the market to gradually break through the moving average, and hopefully we could get that piece of the pie, which is at total of about what, from here to there, we're looking at roughly about 470 pips profit, and for that two positions going on. And this is a pretty good significant market that I will anticipate for it to reach, because if we go a little bit zoom in right here, this market has the potential to hit this area right where I have the resistance here. So the higher potential is probably down here where the red zone is, right? And it's got a big support right about this area. And so if you could get halfway there, that would be awesome. All right. And that's kind of like for the US dollar and Japanese yen. And we got pound and dollar also. And for this market, I am anticipate for this market to break through this resistance here. It's kind of like resisted at this area right about here. But because it broke out the resistance from the triangle analysis, it broke out. So I anticipate for this market to gradually pull back a little bit and then gradually hit right about where the target is. And for this particular trade, I'm looking at, roughly about 400 pips profit. That will be the potential here. And the good thing is that I lock in my profit, so this position cannot be lost because the lock-in profit has been implemented, as well as the euro and US dollar locked in at about a couple of pips there. And so we got that the pound and dollars right here is about 74 pips, whereas the euro and US dollar is about 53 pips profit. And so for the euro and dollar, I am anticipate to at least hit this area where the resistance area is. If it get to this level, it probably pull back. If it doesn't have the strength to go break it out, the resistance, if it broke out, it's probably get to the next level here. But I'd be happy just to get where this resistance area, and that's where I set up my target right there. Potential for this is about 180 pips, so that would be awesome. All right, and so I'm gonna monitor these positions here. At the same time, let's look at some of the updates right here for the month of February. As you can see, for the month of January, we average about 1100 pips so far. And then come down to the month of February, it was close on the March 5th for a total of 806 pips profit. So that is a pretty good result so far. And so we proceeded on to the month of March. And as you can see, got this euro and Canadian loss at 70 pips. And we got four of these pending. As you can see, I just shared with you earlier, those four position right here that is going on in the profit. I mean, it's moving toward the direction that we predicted. So if this were to be close at our predicted or my predicted targeted area, that will be a significant profit for these four positions right here. And with that being said, it will be a good result for the month of February, because we still have a long way to go. Today is the 7th, so it's got about 23 days to go. Probably that will allow me extra time to do a few more trades before the end of the month, for the month of March. So with that being said, it was a good experience so far for the month of February and any other months, as you can see. And so we are looking forward to the month of March and see how it's going to end to be, how much is going to be a profit, how the result is going to be. There's no guarantee how the result is going to be, but hopefully we're going to be doing an awesome job just as many other months previously. I hope this video helped with just a little bit. Until then, we'll talk soon.